Hello everyone, myself Arvind from gangboard.com. Today we are going to discuss about Apache JMeter. So Apache JMeter is an open source software which is used for load testing of an application. Generally it is used for web application as well as mobile application. For analyzing and measuring the performance of the server and the web application and mobile application, we can use a JMeter. And it is very easy to install. It is developed using Java. It's a desktop version and it is a platform independent. It can be used on Windows as well as Mac operating system. It supports Java as well as Groovy as a programming language, and also it can be integrated with Bean Shell and Selenium. It is used generally the Apache JMeter is used to simulate a group of users with concurrent thread and create a heavy load against the application. And it is a full multi-thread framework, allows a concurrent and simultaneous sampling. It is used to, we can also use this Apache JMeter for record and playback, and can be used to record on the web application and simulate using the JMeter, and we can execute the same script on JMeter. And it contains the built-in listeners which can be used to capture the capture the behavior of your application in terms of a beautiful graphs and charts and tables and trees and logs for your reference, and you can analyze your application behavior with the load and performance. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to Gangboard and click on the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much.